here.
Hi,
Hi, Mom. Lukey, how you doing?
Okay.
Got a new toy.
Good.
Oh, you already filming, man.
Oh, did you? Well, I didn't see you guys.
I saw you filming from here.
Still in color, Peter? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but I can't see it in color. It's black and white in here. So this is your motel, huh?
It's gonna be all shaky, Peter. He's not even making it.
Right.
And then round,
Oh, $30
in the laundry room.
for the special.
Kind of a purple.
Does it give sound too, Sonny?
I'm afraid so.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Pete, are you seriously taking anything?
No, it's an empty camera.
This I can't remember what it looks like, but it's a silver.
Glasses on, Lucy wants breakfast.
Okay. Appy's? Yeah, Appy's is really a coffee place. Why do you say that? Everybody goes to Appy's. It's almost, so we can't get in? Well, we can probably get in.
Oh, it's no big deal. It's just a coffee shop.
Yeah. I mean, will we have to wait an hour? No, I don't think so. Does it seem kind of busy here?
Going back to California State Path.
Really? It's not usually like this. I said, well, I'm back in LA. It's not usually like this. It's because of the fans. Everybody is in their Methodist. So you walk in here. Get those too, Pete.
I already got those two. Now it's her turn to get.
Mom did. Boy. It says record.
Well, then we're doing it.
Well, then do something. Papa's doing something.
So,
See what Mom's doing.
we're gonna go to empty.
This is from Santa Oli. She gave that for you.
Thank
Okay.
Okay.
Cut? No, I want to see what she got. What is it? It's rose quartz and it matches the necklace she gave me and the bracelet. And the bracelet that she gave me. I can see it. Yeah, isn't it pretty? Okay, now that's it?
Yeah.
That's it. I usually don't give it to me.
We don't have any food. Where did they eat expensive food? We got almonds.
Take it out and lay it down and throw it in a mixing bowl.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Look at the one behind you. Get the one behind you, Pete. Oh, shoot.
What's for your life?
Yeah. He went to buy his Los Angeles meat.
Stop. You can find it over there. Come on.
Oh, successful.
Yeah. Well, the school got us to come up with the kids to see if they chase them up and make them mad at this thing.
Yeah. Wow.
Go ahead, tell us there's everything in there.
Los Angeles has everything. Where the freeway? Who put the freeway in? They did, yeah. A picture of the freeway. Yeah, do you see the freeway? Can you believe that?
Probably he doesn't know any of the rest. So pretty piece of flowers, he put it in like that. And he goes by the painting there. How
What
that
painting?
is. That one there.
That's
See?
painting?
Yeah. That's draft, the drawing.
Oh, they put that over it.
So he know where he has to put the rock. You just throw it on. You have to even go by the design. Like that. Look how they put he put the plaster on.
Just to remember this. Yeah, just remember that. You're not too small. I mean, you're not too big.
There's like my great-granddad.
Sure.
And look at his fireplace.
Yeah.
Whatever first lady, even Lauren, our guardian, we call her a guardian because she's very wise with the things she bought. She bought 13 Persian rugs in the 40s for $10,000, and now in the 80s, some of these rugs are now worth over $10,000
We had a bathtub like this, 98th Street.
Look at that stuff, see?
The shower is new. Oh yeah. Look at the Dutch windmill.
this is the first week before this.
We also
Oh, look at that now. What'd you get, Trudy?
Nectarine.
Oh, great.
Let me show you what it looks like.
I see.
potatoes are where?
Got the corn.
Yeah.
She likes those gingerbread cookies too.
Can you believe it?
That's on bag too. That's from Harvard. And that's the biscuits are good too, Jody. They're kind of light. And two guys, and three small, and three small bags. I mean, three just regular small. No. You have two regular.
Daddy, aren't you anything with gray ground and then a gray carpet? And this is the living room? This is the living room.
Oh, great.
And see, we get all these light fixtures, see that? And then we get those. Oh. Mm-hmm. This is my kitchen.
Oh, beautiful, Judy. They're so light and big.
And see, we're not that's enough. But we're gonna get a little table.
Hmm.
Is that how much space you get for the backyard?
No, we get 35 feet. So I think we get a little bit more, don't we, Pete?
Yeah, this is only
20.
25 or something like that.
We get another 10 feet. And then this
You can see it now better because it's empty.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you have the model home, it's gonna be full with furniture and.
this is how we get it.
Are you sure you get this kind of?
We get the closet. And then this is the laundry room. Oh, where's the bathroom? The bathroom is right over here.
That's a garage. Too dark.
Yeah, too dark. Come on up, Mama.
Be careful, Lucy. The nails on your forehead.
See, this is gonna be our sewing room and computer room and study room. So here, this is gonna be our computer, study, and sewing room.
There's the closet room.
Yeah. And then this is gonna be the baby's room, if we have one. Okay.
Right. Big. This is a big closet.
This room is a little bit bigger than the other room.
Yeah. You can make a patio out of that.
We might need a patio.
This is like and things like that.
Did you do this, Peter?
No, I didn't.
We need a patio. And I'll take that. It's not
Marble. No, it's porcelain. That's what I asked.
See, this is the master bedroom. And you see windows like this? I was thinking of putting a mini blinds here. Because
Oh, it's not there. That feels good, you know.
Give Pa some drink, Trudy.
Yeah, ice water. Ice water.
We've got some soda for you.
we have ice water and soda.
No, that's Trudy's original bird.
That's peaches. That's peaches.
Is it peaches?
Well, we do have cookies. We have orange string. Orange. Okay. Yeah, the other one is bald.
You'll be
Because
better.
lots of times,
Okay.
yeah, lots of time I go stand by the store 11, then I even open and set
I
my
would just
shop.
make a quick call to my aunt. See how their vacation
Yeah.
was. They just got back.
No, they did.
Where did they go?
They went tomorrow late.
Oh, again?
But
To
then
the
they've been
sea
there
otter.
already.
They picked up some sea otters there. Yeah, they transport them to another island.
I like black jelly, but that's all. $30. That's a kitten. Oh, these little boxes. That little box.
How much is that?
$30. It's like a little jewelry box or pill box. Or a malachite bracelet. Except my hand's too big for it. And that's only $37.50. That's it. I'm going
Right? I'm here at 155.
I was looking at the malachite. Where are they?
Mom. 155.
Peter, those
Mexico.
rats over there. Mr. Burton's always been short on, you know, neither should. Look, Dennis just came home. Oh, that's my garage. Guess who just came? Hi, Trudy. How are you? Guess who came, guys? Hi. They had brunch. I was going, oh my God, they're in an accident or something. I was so worried about you guys. I said, oh no, they're in an accident.
Your camera, yeah.
I have it. I'm going to go to San Francisco now, are you?
Oh, what are we gonna do, Pete?
I don't know.
It's going to be pretty late out there. I know. Lucy drove you, and then San Francisco. Visha drove you.
No, are you kidding?
Mama doesn't drive to freeway. She doesn't? No. She has to go to work. That's when she goes now. She's trying to take the side road. Here's Tom. Here's Tom.
Yeah, bought some seats too.
Will you close this dirty garage? Come on in. Oh, Peter, it's you. Stirring me nuts. Peter, why are you doing this?
Well, I've got 2 hours to kill here.
Oh.
Here's the kitchen.
Peter! What do you guys had amazing, huh? No, we didn't have
You're way off.
We were afraid. We my kitchen. I try to keep that close. It's dirty. Anyway, this was also the old part.
We got to turn the heat up a little.
We're at Spalding Lake today. Oh, I don't know how he.
I apologize for it being such a smoky day, but there's a forest fire at the other end of the mountain. Well, we didn't catch any fish, but we had a great time.
Hello to Mama.
No fish, but we still had a good time. That's the main point.
Today we're going from here where we live to the fish hatchery over here.
Who? Throw a whole bunch in. Real cobblestones.
I think it's up on this block. Excuse me.
Wow.